So to begin with, you're going to start in Virasana to really imprint this neutral leg. So you'll come into Virasana sitting on a block in the flat position so that your sitting bones have enough of a base. Look back at your feet and make sure your heels are extending straight back and your outer ankles are not puffing, meaning your feet are in a neutral position. Now look at your thighs, and basically if you took your elbows to your frontal hip bones and karate chop down, your fingers would line up with the center of each knee. And when that happens, you know that your legs are hip distance apart and neutral. Now, once you have all of that, take your hands to your lap. Get the sense of your pelvis stacking over your torso stacking over your pelvis. You're not leaning forward or backward. We'll take a few moments here to settle in. Find a smooth and steady breath against the back of your throat. The inhale is to lengthen the sternum away from your navel. But as you do that, keep your front ribs soft so you don't end up arching your lower back. Spread across your collarbones as you draw the heads of your upper arms back, opening your front body. Again, keep softening your front ribs so you don't overstretch your front body at the expense of your back body. Establish a smooth, rhythmic pattern of your breath. And try to maintain this quality of your breath as we start to move along into our practice. Now let your eyes slowly open, but keep your gaze soft and a little unfocused. Interlace your fingers behind your back. If you're tight in this direction, you're always welcome to a strap. Hold the strap instead. Now lift your shoulders up a tiny bit so you relax the base of your neck. And as you exhale, reach your knuckles back and up to press your shoulder blades into your chest. But rein the movement in the lower back. Take your front ribs, direct them towards your frontal hip bones. And as you do that, really isolate the movement in your shoulders as you reach the knuckles back and up. As the knuckles reach back and up, the front ribs go back and down. Keep your chin level to the floor. Staying here in Virasana. 3 more breaths. When your next exhale comes, go ahead and release. And now switch the interlace of your fingers. Take a different thumb, different index finger on top. Take your shoulders up slightly. There's such a tendency to drag down, which really tightens the base of your neck. So instead, lift your shoulders up the tiniest bit. Now get the sense of the 4 sides of your torso equally long. And as you inhale, lift your sternum, but soften your front ribs. And as you exhale, reach your knuckles back and up to open your chest. Shoulder blades press into your thoracic spine, opening your chest as you spread across your collarbones, but keep dropping your front ribs towards your frontal hip bones. Again, so you're not overarching your lower back and overstretching your front body at the expense of compressing your back body. Take another cycle of breath here. And as you exhale, release.